Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Riviera Resort where we're going to show you a dedicated 2-bedroom villa with a preferred view. This room has a beautiful view, it is preferred, so we cannot wait to show that to you. This room does sleep up to 9 adults as opposed to the lock-off that sleeps up to 10 adults.
Yeah, she mentioned the 2-bedroom lock-off. Those are actually two different categories here at Riviera Resort, which is different from the other DVC resorts for the most part. So the lock-off villa is actually a 1-bedroom and a studio put together, and it's kind of nice because it sleeps 10 people, but then you also have the fact that you have the Murphy beds that pull down versus the regular beds you'll see here in the second bedroom. So just something to consider if you're looking to stay here in a 2-bed. If you need more space, the lock-off is better because you got the extra bed, but you also have the space taken up by the bed. So just something to look at.
Let's go check out the room.
When we first come in here, we do have a little foyer area, just a small little table right there by the door. Over to the left is the second bedroom, and to the right is the shared bathroom that is shared with the master. We'll start off on the left heading into the second bedroom area. Now right down this hallway we have a closet here. A lot of space in this closet. We've got a closet rod and a shelf. That's all in here, but there is a ton of space there for storage for your suitcases and such. And then in the bedroom we do have a door here so you can close it off, and if we step inside, just behind the door, we've got a small table with a few drawers on it, and we also have our first piece of art in this room. Beautiful Riviera painting there, but you might notice it looks a little bit like a car because it is from the Cars 2 movie. You can see Lightning McQueen down in there. Fun little Easter egg. Now the bathroom here in this second bedroom, you do actually have two separate bathroom areas using those pocket doors to close them off. This first area is where you have your walk-in shower, and in the walk-in shower you've got the detachable shower head as well as the rainforest shower head up there. You also have a little seat in the corner there, and we do have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we also have the toilet here in this room and a piece of art on the wall. Kind of looks like a Moana inspired art. I'm not really sure what it is. No real clear Disney reference in there that we noticed, but it does look pretty cool. And then the other half of the bathroom here is where you have your vanity. Just a single vanity, but there is a lot of counter space up there. You got the little shelf up above it as well as all the space here on the counter. You've got some storage down below, and then of course you have the mirror and the light there above the vanity. And then the tub over here has a shower curtain with some little hidden Mickeys on there. You may see those right there, they are. And this shower is a detachable shower head in here as well. And of course the tub down there, and we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in this as well. We've got a closet here in this room on the other side. Pretty big closet, lots of storage space in this room. You've got a closet rod and a shelf that goes all the way across this pretty large closet here. You also have some shelves built into the wall over on this side, so a lot of storage space in there. And in the bedroom itself, we have two queen-size beds. You can see both of those there. And they do have storage underneath the bed. So you can see there's some storage space down there for your suitcases if you need it. There also are drawers on the end of the bed here. So you've got drawers underneath as well as just the space to put your suitcases. And then on the ends of the beds, we've got end tables on either side, and there are no USB outlets built into the tables themselves, but they are built into the wall. So you've got the wall outlets with USBs there. And then on the headboard, we have another little Mickey there. We've got lots of Mickeys all around these rooms, which is really great. We have art on the wall for Mademoiselle Mouse, little Mickey and Minnie poster there. We absolutely love the art here at Riviera. And then on the other side of the room, there is a chair in that corner and a chair in this corner. And there's also a dresser there, again with the USB outlets in the wall up above it. And one of those smart TVs. We'll show you the one in the living room here in just a minute. The smart TVs are pretty cool. And then this room has its own balcony. So we'll go ahead and step out here. Since this is a preferred view, we are facing the pool and the Barefoot Bay lake over there. Absolutely beautiful view out here. And on the balcony here, we've got a couple chairs and a little table. And the chairs do have the Riviera Resort logo on them. good sized balcony. And we'll head in and check out the rest of the room. In the main part of the room here, we have our kitchen and our dining room. And this is a full kitchen, so we've got a full-size fridge here on the left. And then we do have a stove with an oven. We also have a dishwasher over there by the sink. We've got a microwave. We have a full-size coffee maker, and we do have a toaster as well. It's inside this cabinet down here. And then, of course, these cabinets are fully stocked with everything from cups and plates and bowls to silverware to pots and pans, everything you need to cook here in the villa. And then the dining area here, we've got a bench in the corner with the table and a couple chairs there. The print on the bench on the back there is the Riviera Resort. You can see it's kind of set in the Riviera there. There's the tower with the logo. And then the photo up above is Remy sampling some food. Looks like he's making an apple pie there. Really cute piece of art. And then in the living room area, we do have a couple beds in here. One is on the right underneath the TV. This is a twin size bed that pulls down from the Murphy here. And the TV is a smart TV, just like the others in the room. I'll turn that on while we're looking at the rest of the room here. And you can see the pull-down Murphy bed over on the other side of the room. That is above the couch. And there's a couple different pieces of art above the couch. We've got the brave little Taylor Mickey and Minnie there. We have Mickey and Minnie, the drawing. And we also have a Beauty and the Beast piece of art there. And we'll pull that bed down here in just a few minutes to show you what that's like with it down. And then we have a small coffee table that is on wheels and has storage inside, and another little footstool here that also has storage inside there. Now the smart TV does have your name on it when you come to the room, which is really cool. And then you hit the select button to open it up. You've got your resort there. Nice little animation with the Skyliner over on the left and the ducks swimming around. Really cute. Then there's a bunch of different features here on this TV. You've got the on-demand movies. You can, of course, watch regular TV. You can also AirPlay or Chromecast or whatever it is with your phone to play it on the TV. You can check out the different hotel services here and, of course, see the park hours and things like that. It's pretty cool to have this. We like all the smart TVs here at Riviera and also the other resorts that have added them. They're pretty fun. And we have a door to our balcony here in the living room area. Before we head out there, though, we want to show you the curtain that covers the window in here. Has a hidden Mickey in there too. They have just put them all over the place at this resort. We love it. And our window here, you can see the railing outside. You might be able to see the Mickey right there, but we're going to get a better look at it on the balcony. So heading out onto our balcony, this is shared with the bedroom. So we've got a door here, and then the sliding doors over there are to the master bedroom. You got a couple chairs and a table here. Again, a pretty good sized balcony. And the railing on the balcony has Mickey all along. It's a really cute piece that they decided to work into the railings. And of course that same beautiful view of Barefoot Bay and the pool here. You can hear the nice Riviera music in the background. Heading into the master, we've got a king size bed in the master bedroom with a really pretty blue headboard there above it. Absolutely love the master bedroom here. Got the nice chandelier up there, just like all of the light fixtures in here. Very pretty. We've got a beautiful piece of art on the wall from the Aristocats. It's adorable because they're here at Riviera. You can see the railing there is the same. You can see the building off in the distance. Definitely kind of fun to have them tied into the resort like that. And then the balcony over here with the sliding door is the one we were just out on a second ago. And the curtains leading out to the balcony are the same as the one in the other bedroom where they have the Riviera Resort logo on there. We didn't get a good look at them in the other room, but it is pretty cool that they put that pattern in. Wouldn't even really notice that's what it is until you stop to look at it. We've got a nightstand on this side with a lamp, and again we have those USB outlets built into the wall with the wall outlet there. And then we have a couple little lights up above the bed, which is really nice. And then we have a dresser on this side. Lots of storage space in this room all around. Again, the USB outlets up above the dresser, as well as the smart TV in here. And then we have a full-length mirror and a closet in the corner here. This closet has just a couple shelves in there, as well as the closet rod, and then a luggage rack down below. We have a desk in the corner, and the desk has another set of USB outlets in the wall right above the desk there, and a lamp, and then a mirror. And then going into the bathroom area, we have a two-part bathroom. We've got these sliding barn doors here that kind of come together. When you pull one, it pulls both of them. That's kind of cool. And the first part of the bathroom here, you have a single vanity with a huge countertop, lots and lots of space in here. You've got some storage down below, and then you have the mirror and the lights up on the wall. And then behind me, we have our tub, and this is a jetted tub. There are little holes in the bottom there you can see for the jets, and the really cool tile pattern there on the wall. And then the other half of the bathroom, we've got a pocket door that separates it off. This is where you have your toilet, which also has a piece of art above it with Tiana and Naveen. Really pretty piece there. And a walk-in shower here. Just like the other walk-in shower, we've got the detachable shower head as well as the rainforest style shower head up there. And then the little bench in the shower and the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we have a single vanity in here as well. A little bit less counter space in this part of the bathroom, but still pretty good size. You've got storage down below, and then of course you have a little shelf right below the mirror there, up above the vanity, and the door closing it off from the rest of the room here. Now back in the hallway to the entryway here on the right, this is where you find your stackable washer and dryer. They do have these in every one bedroom and larger villa in the DVC resorts. And you got a laundry basket there as well as some laundry soap. And then behind me, there is another closet. And in this closet, you're gonna find your iron and ironing board, your extra blankets and pillows. You also have a vacuum cleaner here as well as your safe built into the wall. So ample storage here in this villa. Now to go see the living room once more with the beds pulled out. Alyssa's pulled those down for us. You can see the Murphy beds, the twin size over here that has Mickey and Pluto napping on the Riviera, just living their best life. And it has that little light there above the bed too, which is nice. And then the couch that has the Murphy bed above it, you've got a Peter Pan scene up there. Another piece of beautiful art here in the room. So even with these beds pulled down, you can see there is still plenty of space here in this 2-bedroom villa. So if you're using all of the beds, even still, it won't be cramped in here. It feels like there's plenty of space for everyone. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 2-bedroom villa preferred view at Riviera Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about this room or Riviera. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know we have even more videos come up.
And if you'd like more information about the Walt Disney World Resorts, you can head over to herewiththeears.com. We've got a link to that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.